With the right insight, you can shape the future. I love to teach and watch my students grow. As a teacher, I would like to tell you about how I use MAP from NWEA to benefit our students and our school. Beginning 2 years ago, our school district implemented the Measures of Academic Progress, or MAP. Now I rely on MAP to assess each of my students' unique needs and to chart their growth. What's more, MAP helps me prepare for the important state test. Let's look at each of these benefits, starting with assessment of each student's needs. A MAP assessment challenges every student. As the student responds correctly or incorrectly, the test items adjust in difficulty. If an answer is correct, the next question is harder. If an answer is incorrect, the next question is easier. In this way, I'll learn exactly where each student currently performs. That's an important difference from traditional tests, which only tell me whether a student is at, above, or below their grade level. With MAP assessments, I'll see just how far above or below my students are performing. And knowing that, I can target curriculum to their specific needs. All students grow at different rates, and MAP enables me to compare their growth to millions of other students. Here's what makes it possible. MAP assessments use the RIT scale, or RIT. This scale is like a yardstick with equal units across the scale. Just like a yardstick shows changes in student height, the RIT scale shows me changes in student academic growth. As the school year progresses, I'll use the RIT scale to monitor that growth, knowing that every student grows at a different rate. For comparison, I can also rely on the norms data built into MAP. Based on millions of test item responses and over 30 years of research, the norms data give me a reference point as I assess each student's unique growth rate. As my students progress through the school year, I need to know how prepared they are for the state test. Again, MAP has the answers. NWEA researchers correlate the RIT scale with state tests for both reading and mathematics. This research makes it possible to project how well my students would perform, so I can make adjustments to boost their proficiency. So now you know how MAP helps our students.